Right, children, we did the rule of differentiation, basic differentiations. Now from here where class 12 syllabus begins. Okay, so differentiation of functions. So what actually we mean by saying function of functions? Now look at this. Y is equal to sin x. Now if we put a value to x, we get the value of y. So it's a direct function. But if y is equal to sin x square, then by putting a value of x, we first have to square it and then we get the sine of that. So this includes two operations. First, squaring the number or the angle, whatever it is, and then sine of that. So since this involves two operations, this is function of a function. Say this. Here again, if we put x, the value of x is given, we get a value of y. But supposing if the function is this, so then this is putting a value of x, simplifying it, and then getting the square root of it. So this is again function of function, right? It can be this. If I write the function as this, now the first thing, putting the value of x, get the square root of x, cos of that, two operation, then square root of that value, third operation, and then sine of that value, the fourth operation. So more than one operations involved. So when there is a function where there is more than one function involved, it is called function of a function. And to differentiate it, we go back to the basic differentiation. Like y is equal to sin x, differentiation is cos x. So we have to get sine of x. Now come to this. These are function of functions. I come to this first. So differentiate y is equal to sin x square. Now I said we have a formula for sin x, cos x, but not sin x square. So what we do? Since we have a formula for sin x, instead of x square, I write u to bring into that form. So what we have written for? So where I have written u for what? X square. So y is a function of u and u is a function of x. I said in the beginning, we differentiate a function with respect to the other variable, one variable with respect to the other variable. Y is sin x, then dy by dx, we are differentiating y with respect to x. Here y is a function of u, so we differentiate y with respect to u. So dy by du is equal to cos u, and u is a function of x, so du by dx is 2x. But here if it says differentiate with respect to x, we have to get dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by du so dy by du is cos u, du by dx is 2x. So this is 2x into cos of u, u is x square, so that's the answer. So we bring it into actually the same formula which we have given, one function, and then we differentiate. So this is two functions involved, two operations involved, so there's two. I come to that other example which I gave. Say y is equal to root over ax square plus bx plus c. Here again, if it is only ax square plus bx plus c, then the equation differentiation will be x square is 2x, so 2ax plus b plus 0. But since there is another operation involved, root over u, we have a formula for algebraic function only x to the power n, one variable x to the power n. So what I do here, I write it in that form. So making it as a single variable. So what I have done for u, I have written this. So y, now y is a function of u is a function of x. So we get dy by du. I said, remember this the other day. This is this. Du by dx is 2ax plus b. So dy by dx So that's the answer. I go into a third sum. It's cos of root x plus 5. Now here again, we have a formula for cos x, single variable. So what I do? Cos u. So what we have written u for? So u is this. But here again, it's function of a function. We put a value of x and then get a square root. So this is again algebraic function. We write it as single variable. So where v is x plus 5. So now look at this. Y is a function of u. So dy by du is minus sine u. U is a function of v. So du by dv is 1 by 2 root v. And v is a function of x. That's 1. We have to find dy by dx. So we multiply all of them. So dy by du, du by dv, dv by dx. So this is minus sine u into 1 by 2 root v, v is x plus 5, into dv by dx is 1. So this is minus sine u. U is root over x plus 5 by 2 into root over x plus 5 is the answer. So what actually we do it? Try and understand it in a little different way. Y is a function of sine x and then x square, two terms. Okay. Now what I have done, you look at the answer. Differentiation of sine x is cos x. So differentiation of sine x square is cos x square. And differentiation of x square, 2x. Multiplied them together. Okay, I repeat. Y is sine x square, two functions involved. So differentiation of sine is cos. So sine x square will be cos x square. X square is 2x. Multiply them together. Look at this. root over this, differentiation will be 1 by 2 root this. So 1 by 2 root this into differentiation of this part, ax square plus bx plus c is 2x plus b, and we multiply it together. The third one, you look at it. Y is equal to cos of this. So differentiation will be minus sine of this. So minus sine of this into differentiation of root over x plus 5 is 1 by 2 root x plus 5 into differentiation of x plus 5, that is 1. So what we do, as many functions are there, we keep differentiating and multiplying it together. That's what function of a function is. I go for some more sums. Okay.